This tutorial provides a walkthrough of Diamond, a decentralized social media app on the DeSo platform. Similar to Twitter, Diamond lets you post tweets as well as like, retweet, and comment on a social feed. However, with Diamond, tweets are named posts, retweets are reposts, and more importantly, you can tip using cryptocurrency. The first step is to navigate to diamondapp.com and log in with your DeSo credentials. Alternatively, select Create Account to register a new DeSo account. If needed, reference the How to Create a DeSo Account tutorial, whose link will be available in the content section where this video exists. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the home screen, which contains a top section to post content and a bottom section that displays the DeSo feed. When posting content, you can add text, upload images, or reference external media, for example YouTube and TikTok videos. You can select between 3 tabs when viewing the social feed: Following, Heart, and New. The New tab displays content from all users, whereas the Following tab only displays content from users you follow. The Hot tab displays content trending on DeSo. The navigation menu on Diamond is very comparable to Twitter. The differences are, and this depends on when you're watching this video, that there are no Explore, Communities, or Bookmark menu items. Instead, you have Discover, Buy DeSo, and My Wallet. The Discover section recommends popular DeSo accounts to follow. The Buy DeSo section allows you to purchase DeSo currency on Coinbase or directly using fiat, Bitcoin, or Ethereum. Finally, the My Wallet section will enable you to view your crypto wallet on DeSo, containing your wallet address, current DeSo balance, and creator coins you've received or purchased. You'll also be able to send and buy DeSo coins. In the My Profile section, you can view your account username and bio, your followers, who you're following, and content you've posted or interacted with. In addition, you'll be able to view the price of your creator coin. Every DeSo account has a social token called creator coin. The cost of your coin depends on how many users have invested in you as a creator. Whenever someone purchases your token, the price per coin goes up. When someone sells, the price goes down. For a new account, your coin price will be default to 0. No one will be allowed to purchase your coin, as you will need to be the first buyer. Knowing the rules and best practices about your creator coin are essential, but are discussed in a separate tutorial. In the meantime, it is recommended that you keep your founder's rate at 100% until you understand the finer details of how the creator coin and founder's rate work. On Diamond app, you can receive and purchase NFTs created by others. You can also convert your posts into NFTs. All NFTs you own can be found in your profile section under the NFTs tab. As with creator coins, explaining how to create, sell, and auction NFTs is a tutorial on its own and will not be discussed here. A post on Diamond is similar to a tweet in that you can see who created the post, the content itself, and options to like, repost, etc. In addition to the general social features on a post is the ability to view the creator's coin price. There is also a diamond icon that, when triggered, will tip the post's creator DeSo currency based on the number of diamonds selected. Diamonds are a feature that allows the quick sending of DeSo currency to the creator of a post. Assuming 1 DeSo is around $30, 1 diamond will be close to 1 US cent, 3 diamonds are approximately 12 US cents, 4 diamonds are about $2, with 6 diamonds being over $100. Quickly selecting the diamond icon auto tips the post's creator 1 diamond, whereas hovering over or pressing and holding the diamond icon will allow you to select up to 6 diamonds. The DeSo given to you for verifying your account will provide you with enough finances to submit a few posts and likes. While it won't get you far, being tipped by someone just for posting good morning is almost a given, and receiving 1 diamond as a tip is enough to fund you at least 1,000 transactions, a transaction being a post, like, or repost. Diamond and the DeSo platform excel at providing a decentralized social experience, removing almost every roadblock one would face when embracing Web3 for the first time. Add the ability to earn crypto and create and sell NFTs, Diamond and DeSo are excellent examples of what decentralized social can and will become.